Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Amazon Series X is probably one of the most sought-after gaming consoles on the market right now, boasting incredible power and a vast library of games that cater to every type of player, from casual gamers to hardcore enthusiasts. Its cutting-edge technology promises a seamless and immersive gaming experience, with stunning visuals and lightning-fast load times that will redefine how you play. Whether you're looking to dive into the latest AAA titles or revisit beloved classics, the Series X offers unparalleled performance and versatility, making it a compelling choice for anyone serious about gaming. Number 5. Xbox Series X 1TB Gaming Console. Immerse yourself in a world of stunning visuals and incredible speed. With 4K gaming and up to 120 FPS, every moment feels breathtakingly real. Never lose your progress again. Our quick resume feature lets you effortlessly jump between your favorite titles and pick up exactly where you stopped. Relive cherished memories and discover new favorites. It offers backward compatibility with 4 generations of games, making them look and play better than ever. Say goodbye to long waits. Enjoy lightning-fast load times that get you into your most loved games like Fortnite and Grand Theft Auto in an instant. Be among the first to play exciting new titles. Plus, access hundreds of high-quality games on console, PC, and cloud with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Get started right away with everything you need. It includes the console, a wireless controller, an ultra-high-speed HDMI cable, and power accessories. What we like. Experience unparalleled visual fidelity with stunning 4K graphics and incredibly smooth 120 FPS gameplay. The quick resume feature allows you to seamlessly jump between your favorite titles without losing your progress. If you are a gamer who demands the absolute best in performance and immersion, this is the console for you. What people say. The console is surprisingly quiet, even during intense gaming sessions. The quick resume feature is a game changer, allowing you to switch between multiple games seamlessly. The SSD significantly reduces loading times, making games feel much more responsive. Number 4. YUANHOT Vertical Cooling Stand for Xbox Series X. Introducing the YUANHOT Vertical Cooling Stand, the ultimate 7-in-1 accessory designed specifically for your Xbox Series X. It's more than just a stand, it's a complete upgrade for your gaming experience. Keep your console performing at its best with the built-in side cooling fan. It ensures optimal airflow, preventing overheating during those intense, long gaming sessions and extending the life of your device. Forget about constantly changing batteries. This station features a dual charging dock with two 1400 mAh rechargeable battery packs, providing up to 24 hours of standby and a full charge in just 3 hours. Easily monitor your controller's charge with intuitive LED indicators. Red means charging, and green means fully charged, so you're always ready to jump back into the game. Declutter your setup with integrated storage for up to 10 game discs and a convenient headset holder. It allows for vertical console placement, making your gaming area tidier and more efficient. This accessory is perfectly tailored for the Xbox Series X console and controllers. Please note, it is not compatible with Xbox S, 360, or One models. What we like. Keep your console running optimally with its integrated cooling fan and never worry about dead controllers again thanks to the dual charging station. It even includes storage for your game discs and a headset holder. If you're looking to enhance your existing setup and keep everything organized and powered up, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. The station dock is made out of a good quality plastic. The fan works great. The charging station for my controllers are amazing and so useful. My only complaint is one of the battery's charging port broke, so when putting your controller on charge be careful. Pushing the controller onto the port cause it can push it down into the battery pack. The game holder on the side is also very nice, holding 10 games. It all so clean. Your setup will be nice and organized. I'm very pleased with the cooling stand, the way it pushes the air through the Xbox through the unit, and also I can charge both controllers, so when one runs low I can grab the other one and just keep on playing the game I am currently. It also has a nice feature, a headphone hanger, so when I am done playing I can neatly hang them up and they are not laying around. There is space on the side where you can store a few of your favorite games that you like playing the most. This stand gives me a better place to put my controllers and discs. It works great simply as a stand to hold the Series X, controllers, headset, and game cases. The console fits nicely in the cradle and is more stable than when just sitting on its own. The batteries hold up well and they last through all my gaming activities without issue. The batteries charge to full then stop charging when full. I have not had occasion to find my controller with a dead battery right when I want to use it. Additionally, I've never had a caddy to hold physical game cases and discs. This small feature allows me to keep things organized and I quickly know where the cases are to put physical media away after use. Number 3. Fosmon 5280 mAh Rechargeable Battery Charger Kit. Tired of constantly buying disposable batteries for your controllers? Switch to our high-capacity rechargeable batteries and save hundreds of dollars while reducing waste. They're designed to work seamlessly with your latest Xbox Series XS and older One controllers. Don't let a dead battery interrupt your gaming. These extended life rechargeable packs offer up to 40 hours of playtime per battery, ensuring your gaming sessions are never cut short. A full charge takes only 4.5 hours. Keep the action going with our dual charging station. It allows you to charge 2 batteries simultaneously, so you always have a backup ready. Simply connect it to your console or any standard USB power source. Rest assured with our ULCS AEC 62368 and SGS certified batteries. They feature overcharge and overcurrent protection, extending their lifespan to over 1000 charge cycles. The LED indicator clearly shows charging status. We stand by the quality of our product. This charging kit comes with a limited lifetime warranty, offering you complete peace of mind with your purchase. Visit our website for more details. What we like. Say goodbye to disposable batteries and enjoy extended gaming sessions with these high-capacity rechargeable packs. The dual charging station ensures you always have a fresh battery ready to go. If you're tired of constantly replacing batteries and want a cost-effective, reliable solution for your controllers, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. One battery pack lasts me 3 to 4 days before I have to switch to the other. The charging speed is great too. Off my Xbox it takes like 2 hours to fully charge them and get up to 4-day battery life based on my usage. So far it has lasted way longer than regular batteries on a single charge. Give them a try. I think you will like them. It has a light, it charges fast, and the batteries last forever, not exaggerating. After going through other brands that lasted hours, I can play for days with these. Been using these for 2 months now. Number 2. Xbox Series S 512GB SSD console. Experience gaming like never before with incredible speeds. Dive into every mission and open world with up to 120 frames per second. Never lose your progress again. With Quick Resume, you can seamlessly switch between your favorite titles and pick up right where you left off. Tired of waiting? Enjoy lightning-fast load times that let you jump into games like Minecraft, Fortnite, and Roblox instantly. Access 4 generations of games, including titles optimized for the latest hardware. They look and play better than ever before. Be among the first to play exciting new releases. Plus, explore hundreds of high-quality games on console, PC, and cloud with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. This package includes the console, a wireless controller, and all the necessary cables and batteries to get you started right away. What we like. Enjoy next-gen gaming performance, including up to 120 FPS, in a sleek and compact all-digital console. Its fast SSD ensures quick load times, letting you dive into your games faster. If you're looking for an affordable entry into next-gen gaming or prefer a smaller footprint without compromising on performance, this is an excellent option. What people say. Microsoft's Quick Resume feature is the real-life cheat code. Turn off the console, unplug it, do a cartwheel if you feel like it, and when you're ready to play again, resume from right where you left it. Series S delivers native 4K gaming for a lot of games, and for those who debate pixels like it's a philosophical dilemma, fear not. Even upscaled frames are like a culinary masterpiece, you won't notice if the chef used a different spice, and the dish still tastes like victory. The Xbox Series S is small, takes up little space and is powerful. The Series S can outperform the Series X in some departments like keeping 60 frames per second during challenging experiences for the console to run. Number 1. Razer BlackShark V2 Pro Wireless Gaming Headset. Experience unparalleled audio immersion with the ultimate wireless gaming headset. Designed for peak performance, it puts you right in the center of the action. Hear every detail with THX 7.1 spatial surround sound. It delivers incredibly accurate directional cues, giving you a competitive edge in any game. Our advanced 50mm drivers are engineered for exceptional clarity across all frequencies. Enjoy rich highs, detailed mids, and powerful lows for a truly immersive soundscape. Coordinate with your team using the detachable hyperclear cardioid microphone. Its focused pickup area ensures your voice is heard loud and clear, with advanced customization options. Enjoy lag-free, wireless performance that keeps you connected to your game. It's compatible with PC, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch for versatile gaming. Join the ranks of the best with a headset from the leading gaming peripheral brand in the US. Elevate your gaming experience with superior sound and comfort. What we like. Immerse yourself in the game with industry-leading THX 7.1 spatial surround sound and crystal-clear audio from the 50mm Triforce titanium drivers. The detachable mic ensures your team can hear you loud and clear. If you're a competitive gamer or simply want the most immersive audio experience, this headset will elevate your gameplay. What people say. It has enough battery life to stay wireless the entire day, and to ensure I can game at night I simply charge it while I'm at lunch. I've never actually gotten a low battery notice. They have good bass without being ridiculous and boomy like some gaming headphones. They have fantastic directional sound for games, and I enjoy the overall sound quality profile. This is a great mic. As I stated earlier, I run quite a few meetings and my teams immediately noticed how much better I sounded once I started using this headset. It does well blocking out background noise yet ensuring I sound crisp. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.